Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I am going to be putting together this really cute little Lego Friends Lego set that has 50 pieces that my nice aunt gave to me because she forgot to give it to me on Christmas. So yeah, there it is. It says it's party cakes. Ages 5 to 12. I don't think it's real. And there's like a little tear thing in the back, so let's just oh. Finally, why did they make kids toys so hard? I did. Okay. We have our instruction manual. See? We have our 2 bags of Legos. Look, there's our puppy dog. Can you see the puppy dog? Puppy dog! I love puppy dogs. So yeah. So, let's get started. You'll have to open up the bag, just like that, and pouring it into 2 separate piles, like that, just put it in, and get that, then just like so, pop it open the same way I did the other. So that's the actual structure, that's all the atoms. Wow, who made such a big difference? So, first of all, open your instruction manual and, okay, first, get the dog and put its hat on. Okay, dog, hat. Okay. Little doggy, yay, party time, woo! Okay, and next, it says to do that. Well, I'm not going to show it to you every time, guys. Just, yeah. So, yeah, this with a pink piece, just flip it like that. So, flip another one on. What? Put in a little cookie. A little cookie in the box. Ah, get your present. Oh, I think it's the doggy's birthday party. Oh, it's a little doggy birthday party. So, yeah. Now, I'm making one big thing here. So, get this. Turn it over. Add 2 white squares. Can you see, guys? Can you see? Can you see? Okay. And pretty soon I'm going to be doing some awesome videos. Tonight I'm going to be doing a glow stick. Like a little glow stick night dance party. You know, like just a cute little glow stick dance party. Not everyone does glow stick dance parties. Yeah, with fairy wings on, yes. I will actually be getting my fairy wings tonight. Woohoo! Fairy wings! Fairy wings! Woo! Yeah, so, watch that vlog, please, 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 if you can find it. If not, it's okay. Also, for this video, since I just started my channel, I think I want to get to about 150 views. Not thumbs up, not subscribers, views. My last YouTube channel got deleted and I had 62 views last time I checked on it, which I came to check on it and it was gone. No one knows what happened to it. Really, my aunt's phone card. My phone got a glitch and boom.